you with escape. Oh no. Uh-oh, we got an escapee already. Escapees already. Oh, jeez. Great. Hang on, kids. This farm isn't set up the way I want it. Didn't want to build in this place, and nothing ever goes the way it's supposed to. Everything's always 6 times harder than it needs to be. Try here. Ah, no, spider. Other way. Other way. Come on, Spidey. There you go. Hang on, kiddos. Oh. There you go. Get you some fresher shit. Oh, jeez. Who's ready to be milked? Okay, fast fencing. Ooh. Hey, escapee. You're not supposed to be loose. What are we gonna do about you? Come on, 3 socks. Come on. Oh, jeez. Okay, you. Let's get your slapdash milking thing rigged up here. Oh. Why are you out here, Mud Pie? Hello? We don't even have you hooked up yet, girl. I'm mumbling. Half awake and not a morning person. This is not an ideal leg strap. Okay. Woo! Hang on, girl, coming in cold. And other side. How you doing over there, girl? You doing good? Got enough green. Hi, kiddos. How you doing? Okay. No, this isn't giving the right readout. Uh-oh. Better get a hold of Densha Farms and see why we're already reading 20 on here. That's not right. Coming in, goat. Oh. Looks like that loose kid already got to you a little bit, huh? Yeah. Bump, bump. Well, that would help. Yeah, that is definitely not a accurate reading on this. Oh, got some milk coming out, Buck. Yeah. Bump, bump. Good goat. Hey, Buck. I have no idea what the pressure reading really is right now, but we got milk coming out. That's the goal. Wandering muffin dog. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Bump, bump. Ah, yeah, little goat. Come on. You want to come out? Everybody out. Come on. Everybody out. Come on out. Ready to go feed Poa Buck. Let's go feed Poa Pig. Need to take apart this old chicken tractor and reuse anything that can be salvaged here. Hey, buddy. Is that your food dish or your water dish over there? Should have done a build video on this chicken tractor, but just wanted to hurry up and get it done. So, that's what's happened here. It's pretty simple, and I need to make another one, so hopefully that'll be filmed Hey, little wasp. Your food dish has got water in it. Is that okay with you, buddy? Okay, problem solved. Yeah. Okay. This doesn't have a door or proper hinges on it yet, so it's not actually complete. Did I mention something about half-assed? Should have put handles on the back, huh? I need to pull it that away somehow. There we go. Nice and light at least. Well, no escaping chickens. It's gonna be a little difficult, isn't it? Yeah. I'm gonna pull you guys without your door flopping open. Really need to get a door on this thing. Don't even dream about it. No. No freedom runs. Piggies. These piggies need to be moved. Hi guys. Hello. Hi. Let's get your food dishes. There we go. This isn't good. We're still milking Mom. Didn't milk you yesterday, so no. Roll down there. Oops. Woo. Okay. That's not a whole lot today, girl, but that's okay. You wanna finish your chafe? Hey, girl. Letting Tundra have munchies. That isn't very nice. Move, jerk pants.